Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create Windows 10 bootable USB drive, and how to install Windows 10. First, open your desired browser. In my case, I will use Chrome. Next, on the address bar, type PowerISO.com, and hit enter. Click Download. Select which system you are using. In my case, I used the 64-bit. Then, click it to start downloading. Click the downloaded file to start installing PowerISO. Just follow these simple steps on how to install PowerISO. You will have this message, saying congratulations, PowerISO was successfully installed. So, let's start creating the Windows 10 bootable drive. To start, open PowerISO you just installed. Make sure to run as administrator. Wait for 5 seconds and click Continue Trial Version, since we are using free software. Now, click Tools. Then search for Create Bootable USB Drive. Make sure you inserted your USB device on your PC. On the image file, make sure to select your Windows 10 or Windows 11 installer. Select Installer, then click Open. For the settings, we will leave it at ease. Then, now click Start. You will have this message. Just click OK to start the process. The process will take a few minutes to finish, so be patient. Done. You have successfully created Windows 10 bootable drive. Now click OK. So, let's try to install Windows 10 using our newly created bootable USB drive. Be sure to select the removable device. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you posted on my latest video upload. Thank you.